We often hear about a woman heart, but have you think about the